Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick review of this foldable doorway pull-up bar made by ProSource Fit. Now, coming straight out of the box, this pull-up bar is already assembled, so that's a plus. You don't have to put anything together. No tools required. All you do is take it out and it's ready to use. This is what it looks like from the front. From the side, this is what it looks like. It takes about 2 inches of space looking at it from the side, so that's perfect if you just want to do your workout, then throw it under your bed, put it behind the door, or even hang it in your closet. And this is made of solid steel. It can hold up to 440 pounds, and it has different areas that are padded for your hand protection. So we have padding here, padding in the middle, padding on this side as well, and it also has cushioned pads to protect your door frame as well, so that's very important. And it actually comes with 2 pull-up bars. The top one is a pull-up bar, then the lower one is also a pull-up bar. So you have 2 in 1. Now this also has the pads on the sides which move from side to side, which is going to let you adjust this for different size door frames. This can fit in door frames anywhere from between 27 inches to 36.5 inches. But you have this to slide back and forth so that you have the option if you want to move it from one door, maybe you have another door that's a little bit wider or narrower than the other one, so you have that option. So the way this works is that it has a locking mechanism, spring-loaded locking mechanism. In order for these arms, the arms in the middle, to come out, they come out like this, kind of like a windshield wiper movement. They come out, and that's what you're going to hook into your door frame. You have to press down, that unlocks the spring, and now you're able to move this out, and then it locks back in place. So it's actually very secure once it's locked. So you bring it down, release it, and then it locks in place. So this is not moving anywhere. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the side. You have these hooks that are going to be going on top of your door frame. I'm going to show you a little bit close up here. As you can see, these hooks have a 90-degree angle to them that's going to fit perfectly on your door frame. And then these cushion pads over here also go on the door frame, but as you can see, they have a clear pad from the side. You can see that it's clear, so it's not going to leave any black marks. I've had pull-up bars in the past that were all black, and whenever you put them under after using them a few times, then it would start staining the door frame. This is the reason why they made that clear, the cushion pads, so that you don't have that stain on there. So very simple to set up, as you can see. Now if I wanted to fold it away, I press down, fold this in, and it's ready to go. As you can see, very little space. Now another cool thing you can do is if you want to hang this, you can unlock one of these legs and fold it all the way like this. And now this hook over here, this end, can act as a hanger. You just hang it either in your closet, or if you have space in your gym where you hang stuff, you can do that as well. So these are free to move 360 degrees. There you go, it's locked back in place. So I'm going to show you the spring-loaded mechanism so you can get a close-up of it. So this right here, you see the spring right there? When I push down, that unlocks, and it unlocks right here on the top. Right here, this is all metal, so it's very secure. If I push down, you see there's a little groove there, and then a little piece of metal fits in there. So if I turn it, then you have another little piece of metal and another groove right there locking in place, so that makes it very secure. Okay, so it locks in place. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it over to the door frame, the doorway, so that you can see how it's all set up. So I'm going to set it up over here so you can see how easy it is. Once again, that's what it looks like from the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock this, turn these out, and then just throw it over the door frame. There we go. So we have one pull-up bar and a lower pull-up bar. And once you're done, you just do the opposite. And you're done. You can put it away. As you can see, very, very little space. It takes up 2 inches. Now, of course, besides using it just for a pull-up bar, you can also use this for push-ups, for dips, just like any other pull-up bar. I'm going to show you now. So you basically set this down, do your push-ups, or you can turn around and do your dips. Tricep dips. And of course, you know, the pull-up bar can be an anchor for many, many other exercises. You can attach rings to this, so you can do a lot of ring work. You can attach a TRX to that, so you can do a lot of TRX activities. So it can serve as an anchor point for all these other attachments so that you can do many, many more exercises. So for somebody that has a small house that doesn't have room for a lot of gym equipment, then this would be the perfect solution for that. And once you're done, of course, you fold it away and you can place it somewhere where it's very, very low profile. It's not going to take up a lot of space. So there you have it, guys. That's my review on the foldable doorway pull-up bar by ProSource Fit. If you want to learn more about this product, click the link below this video. I'm going to leave it there on the top. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.